Mogo Review. App: the pros, the cons. Managing finances can be stressful, but the Mogo app promises to simplify spending, saving, and credit monitoring. But how well does it really work? One of the biggest pros is financial tracking. Most people get this wrong by thinking Mogo is just another budgeting app. It actually links your accounts, tracks spending, and provides insights to help you manage money smarter. You can see where your money goes each month, set goals, and monitor credit score changes directly in the app. The app also offers unique features like Mogo Card, a prepaid Visa, and Mogo Crypto for buying and selling cryptocurrency easily. For example, you can transfer money between accounts or invest in Bitcoin within minutes, all while keeping an eye on spending habits. Another advantage is simplicity. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, making it suitable for anyone from tech-savvy users to beginners looking to improve financial habits. However, there are cons. Some users note that customer support can be slow, especially when dealing with account issues. Fees for certain services, like instant crypto purchases, may be higher than alternatives. Additionally, Mogo is currently available mainly in Canada, limiting accessibility for international users. In conclusion, the Mogo app is ideal for Canadians looking to track finances, manage spending, and explore crypto investments. The surprising truth is that while it combines multiple financial tools in one platform, users should review fees carefully before making transactions. For anyone ready to take control of their money in a simple, modern way, Mogo provides a practical, versatile, and user-friendly solution.